Today I will be doing a unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I've been wanting a drone for quite some time and finally decided to pull the trigger and go ahead and buy my very own drone. I've purchased this specifically to get some aerial shot of venues for weddings that I will be videographing this season. So I've never owned one before. I've always relied on my second videographer for all of my aerial shots or stock images, but now I have my very own. It is the DJI Mini 3 Pro with a controller. This drone came out late last year, and it is a 249 gram ultralight drone, which means that I will not need a license for it, so that's a plus. What else? It is a 48 megapixel drone, so it has more resolution than my cameras that I usually have 26 megapixels. It is more than really anyone needs. It shoots 4K, which is an absolute must. It also comes with log, so it will make it easy to color grade footage. So this is as good as it gets in the drone world. Price tag $1,400, tax included, which is a fair amount of money, but there is definitely more expensive drone on the market. But for what I need, this is as good as it gets, and I don't need to rely on my phone to see the image because it comes with its own onboard screen. So we're gonna do an unboxing today, and I'll show you exactly what's in this box. All right, let's get this show on the road. Let's see what's in this box. So this packaging is pretty good. It's not a cheap piece of cardboard, it's actually a nice box. That aside. Oh, there's another little tape I did not see here. All right, moment of truth. All right, so the drone is right on top of the box. Looks nice. Not very big. Very light. And there you have it. That's the DJI Mini 3 Pro camera. And this is the protective casing. By the way, this is a f1.7 aperture. That's pretty good for a for such a tiny little gimbal. Just getting these little pieces of tape off, but see how it's rotating like that? The camera is on a gimbal like this, which allows it to be very, very stable in the air, and you can sort of pan it down up to the side. And here are the propellers, I guess you would call it. Sorry, I got these little sticky, I can't get my fingers off. So it's kind of, oh, okay. Here you go. So how do you open this? I'm not exactly sure, to be quite honest. I'm gonna just leave that alone so I don't break anything. I don't want to have the embarrassment of having to go back to the store the same day and have to explain how I broke my drone. So because I haven't read the manual. And there's the other piece. This is what costs a fortune. So you can buy the Mini 3 DJI drone without this monitor, this controller, but this is absolutely fantastic. It really lets you control the drone much better, so then you won't experience lag between your phone, the controller, and the drone. And I've heard nothing but good things about it. So you see in the back here, this is what you would attach to the joysticks. Well, I guess they are the joysticks, but they come off to make it easy to pack. There you go. So you have to sort of charge the drone, and this thing comes with a micro SD slot, so you can put a memory card in there. For what? I'm not sure yet. I'll figure it out shortly. And then you get additional propellers. There you go. So I'm gonna put all that back, and then I'm gonna put this aside because I'm gonna definitely, one of the few manuals that I'm gonna read. Last thing I want to do is lose my drone first day I have it. And it comes with a USB-C cable, obviously, to charge it, and then the battery is in the drone, I guess, to make it easier to store. More stickers, and I just have to figure out how to pull this thing out. There is two pieces of clips that you press on here, and then the battery slot slides out, but I have to get the drone arms stretched. Okay, you have to pull, oh, you have to pull down. Okay, there you go. That's pretty much it, guys. That's as big as it gets. 249 grams. That's not very heavy. You would be shocked how light this thing is. Apparently it's very stable in the air. How do I get the battery out? There you go. That's the battery. You get approximately 30 minutes of charge per flight, which is good enough for what I need. You could buy an intelligent battery, something with a little bit more power capacity, but what happens when you do that, the battery is heavier, and because of that it pushes the drone beyond the 250 gram limit to stay legal, I guess you could say, or before you need a license, certification, all the mumbo jumbo the government forces us to get. So I don't need something that flies for 45 minutes. I just need to capture venues and the surrounding areas. So I might likely buy another similar battery, have a couple with me, and that should be good enough. Well, guys, that's all I wanted to share today. So thanks for your time. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna try to fly this in the next few days and give you my thoughts, what I think of it. Hopefully it survives its first flight, and you'll definitely see a lot more footage of this summer with quite a few events coming up, and I'll give you my honest feedback after I've used it for a few months. I'll let you know what I've learned owning this thing. But so far I'm happy and excited. So anyways, if you enjoy this kind of content, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.